Okay, I have my new wind-up Thomas. I have to do it again because everyone ruined my last video. I already opened it. So, get it out. Okay, there's the Thomas. And, the note that it came with got messed up. Let's see what it says. It says, "Thank you for your business. We do appreciate it. Please check out our additional Thomas items at the store." It really says that. And so there's the Thomas. He is looking to his right. He has a lamp, his face, his dome. Thomas is a tank engine who lives at Fleet Station on the island of Sodor. He has 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy dome. So let's wind him up. Let's him out. With a quarter, you can just see how small this toy is. He has a different coupling than the rolling stock does. I'm checking out what he looks like inside. I'm just curious. I'm not a cat, so curiosity wants me. Okay, Grandma interrupted me. I'm coming back. So, the wind up. Number 1, the whistle. The windows. The cab. This is 2006. The coupling. The wheels. That little screwdriver in a bit. So yeah, I'm going to talk about him until then. His balance is different than the others. So it actually has buffers this way. They're smaller than the others. No buffers on the back. Which is pretty sad, as I could say. Thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm checking out what he looks like inside. I hope I don't break it. If I do, I have to buy a whole nother one, which is much more expensive than this. Oh, it has to stay in. So, this is as far as I can go without it breaking. Ooh, I got it out. So yeah, that's what his track looks like. If I was smart like Wheelkin Video, I could make this into an HO runner. Gabe, would you like to see what it looks like without the top?
Sure. Okay.
It easily slips back on.
Oh, that's really cool.
So let's see how fast it actually goes without the top.
Oh, jeez, that is fast. Today, Thomas lost his wheels.
Oh no, come back, Wheels. It's similar to Peter Pan losing his shadow.
Yep, that's for sure.
It has a certain track, I'll get it eventually. But the front wheels don't turn. Wait, where did the screw? No, there's the screw. Okay. Okay. I slipped him in. Okay. It's okay, he's put in. Okay, screw him back up. I hope he still is a good runner after all of that, taking him apart. Unlike that one in the Australian video that I saw, his face actually looks more accurate than that one, not like a clown. The top, it just says made in, just says Tomy on the bottom, so that does prove that it is from Tomy. But in the back it doesn't have the same kind of coupling. There should be a coupling in front. Let's see how strong he is. Let's see if he can push over this camera. Nope, it looks like he's not strong enough. His wheels just flip and split. And so yeah, here's the box. Here's inside the box. Not really box, but bag. So it looks cool on the inside. It looks really cool without the top, Grandma. I took off the top and I looked inside. Yes.